Hello guys, this is the second part of the video series we're following, that is called Monster Resume Creator Resume Project. So in previous video we created a basic route. So there is so you can create as much as route like home page, about, contact, anything you can to do that, create that and package that. So one thing there is really a problem, that is every time you run this server you have to type like node app.js. So if you make any changes, it will not automatically look for it and restart the server, but you have to manually do that. For solving those problems, there is a package called nodemon. So what nodemon does is that it will keep listening to the changes, and if you make any changes it will restart the server by default, so that you don't have to start your server by writing this command. So let me install that nodemon. So also in that meanwhile I'm gonna tell you something, that this is a paid theme. This is a very useful theme. You can use follow me, use this this theme and follow me on this project, on this series, and you can at the end of this project you can have this beautiful portfolio to show as your one stack project when you are applying for a job or anywhere, or you can just create your own profile theme. At the end of this series you're gonna have something. So just follow me on Facebook, subscribe to me, follow me on like me on my Facebook page and DM me there. Then I'm gonna give you this theme to you. So this is a paid theme. It's like $20 or $30. So now this nodemon is installed. So nodemon is installed. So go to your package.json and you can see there is a nodemon there. So what you have to do is, in script write this dev, and then in here nodemon app.js. So this is the basic script we just created. So now to run your node application, all you have to do is npm run dev, and it will start this app.js nodemon, this command fire this command. As you can see, nodemon is starting, server started. So whatever you make a change, it will start your server. That now you don't have to type node app.js every time you make change on your code. So let me see if it's working or not. As you can see, it's working, and also on here it's working. So nodemon is really useful on your project. So install that, and don't forget to make change on here nodemon dev if you want to run this command nodemon run dev. So that's it for this video. Also at the end, just like my Facebook page or subscribe my channel, and this DM me on Facebook for this paid theme.